Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make money on Substack. So first and foremost, you just have to go to substack.com and then click get started. Choose a niche. It could be personal finance, AI trends, health tips, fiction, stories, everything is up to you. Now here you can create or start with your publication. So give a name, description, and add professional banner or logo. You can set or change the format right here, and you can now start writing for your Substack publication. Now, once you are done with this, then in order for you to earn money or make money on Substack, first you need to build a free subscriber base first. Start by offering free content to attract readers. Share your Substack link on Instagram, relevant Reddit communities, email signature, and personal site. Post consistently 1 to 3 times a week and reach at least 500 to 1,000 free subscribers. You can also enable paid subscription. So you just have to go to settings and then go to paid subscriptions. Now here you can just basically connect a Stripe account. So Substack's payment processor is Stripe. Set pricing. Most creators start at $5 to $10 per month or 50 to 100 per year. And also for your readers and subscribers, you need to offer extra perks for paid subscribers like exclusive articles, behind the scenes update, Q&A sessions, and downloadable resources. Okay, so just proceed to Stripe and then connect your account. Another way is that you can offer a free paid mix or free plus paid mix. Keep some posts free to attract new readers, and then make premium posts for subscribe only to encourage upgrades. Example split 2 free posts per week and then 1 premium post per week for paid members. Okay, lastly, to make money, you need to expand income streams beyond subscription. So there is this sponsorship, offer ad space in your newsletter, affiliate marketing, recommend product services with affiliate links, digital products, sell ebooks, courses, templates to your audience, or events, webinars, paid live sessions for subscribers. So there are a lot of ways on how to make money on Stack, but these are just a few ways on how to earn money or make money here. So thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.